Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. My son's over here playing the piano, and he said, "Hey Daddy, what's the little water droplets on the end of the," well, he didn't say pothos, but this golden pothos, and I hit one by accident, and water just ran down my arm, and I see another one right here. Yesterday was the first time I did heavy pruning on this house plant. You can see the cut here, here, and right up there, but I've never seen. He's trying to learn. He has headphones on and he's on the piano.
No, I'm trying to sing a new song.
Okay, but you can see the water droplet. I've never seen something like that before. It might not be that amazing to some viewers, but to me, that's amazing. I didn't know that pure of water would come down a fresh cut pothos. I cut these yesterday, and it's still dripping water like this. Happy gardening.